So you stumped up a decent little sum for the Pixel 3a or 3a XL. And of course it is a durable little phone, but that doesn't mean you don't want a little more protection. For that reason, here's 5 of our favourite Pixel 3a and 3a XL third-party cases. Let's start off with a genuine go-to option in the form of the Spigen Tough Armour case. It's a mainstay in my case collections for almost every device I've ever tried or owned. Sleek, slim and genuinely tough, the two-piece design is made of a TPU inner and a hard polycarbonate outer for increased protection. The kickstand too is an excellent inclusion and it snaps away nice and neatly. Often I'll opt for a lilac, pink or purple option, but the stealthy black colour is perfect for the Pixel 3a XL in black. For simple understated protection, a clear case is always a neat idea. On the premium end of the clear case spectrum is the Totallee Clear case for the Pixel 3a. As far as clear cases go, it tends to pick up lint and grime a hell of a lot less, with the rubbery, squeezable texture making it comfortable, although in moist or wet hands it can be quite slippery. All of the ports are well cut out and clear for you to plug things in, while the internal nubbins actually do keep your phone from sliding around when in the case, therefore preventing nasty abrasion marks. While Otterbox cases do offer insane levels of protection, the Symmetry line are genuinely good looking when slapped on the back of your Pixel 3a. The lip around the display is awesome for raising your Pixel 3a and therefore helping to prevent scratches on that Dragon Trail glass display should you put it on a flat surface. The rubberized sides also add a great amount of grip, which is complemented nicely by the hard plastic main shell. I have no doubts in my mind that when wearing the Symmetry case, your phone will be able to take a heck of a beating. Another solid but stealthy option is the Incipio DualPro case, which similarly to the Spigen Tough Armour uses a two-section approach. The soft TPU inner and hard polycarbonate outer give you ample protection, but where this differs is the softly rounded corners and lack of edges, making it one of the most comfortable cases I've put on a phone. I have to say that the soft touch back, while comfortable, can pick up a little bit of grime and dirt. It's easily removed with a quick wipe, but overall this is a stellar smartphone case. A pretty bare-bones slim case, the Anccer Ultra-thin case might not be the most comprehensive protection for your Pixel 3a, but it does offer a step up over a skin without the associated bulk. Because they are so slimline and it has plenty of cutouts, the Anker Ultra-thin is more for those that want a very basic level of protection but are not massive fans of wearing a case. There is an array of colours to choose from too, but I'm loving the emerald option quite a bit and I think I'll stick with it. So there we have it, 5 simple third-party cases for your Pixel 3a and 3a XL that we think are some of the best options out there. If you'd like to check any out, you can find details in the video description below, along with a direct download link to the wallpaper of my phone should you want that too. Of course, before you head off, do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. But until next time, this is Damien from 9to5 Google, and I will speak to you later.